This is a daggone shame on this. I'm up at the dump. It says Chestnut Ridge. Then you can see part of the dairy. It's an embossed milk. Chestnut Ridge Dairy. CHESTNUT Ridge, RIDGE. Never seen that. It's a shame that's broke. That would have been a day maker for me. But I'm here working this area back in here. Place where I've already dug, but I'm gonna try to clear some of this stuff out of here and get in here and find some good stuff. Later. Right back in there where I was digging, I just raked out this. It says Quality Modern Dairy. It's a and it's got some graphics there on it. It's Woodsfield, Ohio. I'm taking that. I got that little blue bottle, medicine bottle. I got another, that's 2 of these clay pots. And here's a natural springs water from Hot Springs, Arkansas. I found these before, but this one will clean up nice. All the graphics there. I don't know if I'll take it or not, but I started finding these. Check out this blue lettered crock, busted up. I'll maybe find one today, hopefully. Later. Right, you see what I do? I tunnel back under, and then I hit it from the top. And you see how I got it down in there, and then I'll go down in here and rake the back wall. But I got a marble, I just raked it out right here. Ooh, it's got a clear base with a window looking in. Hold on here. Yeah, it's a clear and white base with a red spot on it. That isn't bad. Anyway, later. You can see I'm raking up in here. But look at, here's a 12-ounce Coke, and these are 1956. I looked on the bottom. Look at this huge one. And the graphics there. I'm gonna take these. It's a shame on this old Pepsi. It's broke. Nice colors. It says Chattanooga, Tennessee. Got another milk. Got this little cool Boss bottle with ridges on it. That's kind of cool. But just these cakes are pretty cool. That's a huge one. I don't know how many. That's at least a liter glass bottle. That's cool. Later. Alright, there's these last 2 cakes and the big liter one. I just got 2 more. A Get Up Cola and a real nice Magic Valley. It's got the Sistersville Coke playing on it. It's Coca-Cola Bottling Works, Sistersville, West Virginia. That's a nice one. Most of them have the graphics all messed up. That one's not. I'm gonna put this on me. Set up in here. See if I can't find something cool. I've only found 1 piece of broken crock, but I went this way. That's where I was going down in right here. I kind of backfilled. I need to go deep in this, but I'm not going to do that till winter. See, there's a big bully bottle. I might take that, but I got tons of them. But I'll get back if I see anything later. Man, this is a nice big old cork bottle, isn't it? That's an old one. That's a shame that's not embossed, or I'd have been a day maker, but that's still awful nice. Look how big and nice that is. It's an old cork top. That's nice. See some of the other stuff I got down here. This is the first thing I filmed coming out of the hole. Just got that big cork bottle, cut a couple blue ones, got this little blue one, got a big clay pot, got a Suncrest Cola, but this one's a West Virginia one, Parkersburg, West Virginia. Kind of like that, but I like that big cork bottle. That's awesome. It's probably some kind of medicine. Later. And these old 50s cokes are just rolling out. Like this one is 1956 as well. Got another clay flower pot. I'm getting lots of old sodas today. Anyway, later. Alright, I got another marble here. You can see what I'm doing. I'm raking in here on this wall I've created. There's another little marble. Not bad. It's good condition. Later. See that spoon laying there? Huh. Right beside it's a figurine, but the head's gone. That's a shame. Looks like a little baby with a banjo or a guitar. That's a shame, but right here, that looks like silver plate to me, at least. You can see it there on the, coming through. We'll add that to the collection. Alright, I got another marble right here. It looks like a little better one. Let me get it wiped off here. It's a Marble King for sure, patch and ribbon. It's got a nice different colored line there in that end. You can see it there. Have to get it cleaned up more, but it's not bad. Anyway, this is a chocolate drink soda, like it says. Let me see on the bottom here. It says Choc-Ola Bottlers, Indianapolis, Indiana, and it says OLA right here in cursive, and then CHOC. It's a like chocolate drink. That's nice. I like that, and it's perfect. It's real heavy glass. That's a good one. Alright, we got something cool. I'm looking around. I got a good bit of stuff down here. Look at all these Cokes and stuff here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these 50s Cokes. Now I got this. That's a cool bottle. Bunch of big cork bottle and these ceramic things. Not doing bad. Later. Man, look how awesome this bottle was. It's busted. It says Wagner on the bottom. And then up here, well, it's got seals on both sides. It's embossed Columbus, Ohio down here. And it says Wagner, Columbus, Ohio. It's got a big seal on it, and it's a beer bottle. Oh man, that would have been a day maker. The August Wagner and Sons products. August Wagner. I think that's what it says. Yeah, August Wagner and Sons. Oh, that's a shame the top's busted off that. I'll put up some information on it maybe. Man, that's too bad. See if I can't get something in there. I'm in a good spot. Here's one of these Marion K bottles. This is a Spice Company. It's embossed. I'll take that. Later. Wow, this is rather cool, isn't it? It's an old whiskey with a double-headed like eagle or something on it. Man, that's cool. It's got a nice shape to it too. I like that. Wow. It's all marked up on the bottom. It says federal law prohibits sale or reuse of this bottle. Nice. Later. Not sure if this is some kind of glass pie plate or what, but it says Hudson on the bottom. H-U-D-S-O-N. Might be, yeah, it's something probably baking. I'm not sure. I don't think it'd be the bottom to a flower pot. That's kind of cool. Take it. Later, look it up. I just got this old dish. You can see it's got some pattern around the edge. Looks to be all there. Probably take that later. And it's a shame that's broke. That's an old whetstone, like grinding wheels. And look, you can see the edge of it there. It would have been circular and had like a square hole in the middle with like a piece on it, a metal piece there going through the hook on the grinder stone. That's a shame. Anyway, later, this is a day maker for me. This is local. This is like a local milk. It's, I don't know, an hour from me, 50 minutes maybe. Swiss Ohio pasteurized dairy products, Woodsfield Ice and Creamery Co., Woodsfield, Ohio. And I found another one of these, but this is all damaged and it wouldn't come clean. And both sides of this are, oh, this is nice. I have an embossed one now. I have the small size of this, which I'll show in this video, and I dug it right out of this hole right here where my rake's sitting. Right there. Oh, this is good. This is good, folks. You can see all this stuff I got down here, but this is, and I like it, this soda, this Ola, embossed Ola chocolate. That's nice. I get a couple good things now. And I like this big cork bottle. That's, oh, I didn't see that. That's got a, oh, it's got a seal or something on it up there. It's got a round circle. I'll see what that is when I get home. I didn't see that, but that big milk, I like that. That's a scarce one, and you won't see one of them for sale on the internet. I can guarantee that. Later. Alright, I just got a nice big embossed J.R. Watkins company. That's not bad. See the bottom of it there. I like that bottle. Put up some information on it in this video. Got lots of, you can see all the stuff here, lots of sodas, and this is a keeper. I like these old embossed ones with names on them. That's cool. Got lots of stuff. Several of these nice Magic Valleys, and these are getting hard to find. And they say Sistersville right on the back. Just lots of stuff. I didn't show this. It's a grapette. It says Marietta, Ohio on it. It's in real nice shape. Lots of flower pots and lots of old Cokes. I'm going to take some of these from the 50s. These Cokes are. But anyway, later. Mold and makeup related, and it opens. There's like a glass piece here. Probably had a mirror there. Probably worn out, but that's kind of cool. Dug it back in there. I'm still going at it. It's hot, and I'm getting ate up with mosquitoes and horse flies, but I'm gonna get a little bit longer and then maybe go look for airheads later. These had Kraft's cheese spread in them, because I found one with a metal cap on them. It must have been some like little, it doubled as a little kid's glass. It's got animals on it there, you can see. Sorry if this is fogging up, but you can see I'm filthy. And there you can see it. It's got a little Bambi on it, a couple Bambis and some squirrels. Later. Finding lots of plastic toys today. I haven't shown many, but they're all broke up. This one's broke. It's kind of rubbery stuff. That's a shame that's broke. I like the horses, the vintage ones like this. Later. Alright, that's enough for me for today. You can see I'm black. I'm just dirty all over. But I got some cool stuff. I like that milk better. I got some nice Cokes, a big like medicine cork bottle. Just lots of stuff that's going to be heavy carrying out of here. But I like the milk the best. That'll clean up nice. And I don't have it. I got one smaller. I'll show you that in the video. But I'm probably going to go out on the river, look for some arrowheads here in a couple hours after I eat and stuff. It's really a shame on this old beer bottle, man. It's got embossing all over it. Columbus, Ohio. It's awesome. I'll put up some information on that. But I'll get back on my next find later.